Once upon a time, there was a boy named Arjun. He lived in a small village with his parents. His father was a farmer, and his mother was a homemaker. Their financial condition was not very good. Sometimes they struggled even to fulfill their basic needs. But Arjun had a dream that was bigger than his situation. He wanted to become a cricketer. From a very young age, Arjun loved cricket. He used to watch matches on a small television in a nearby shop. Whenever he saw his favorite players hitting sixes and taking wickets, his eyes filled with excitement. He would say to himself, "One day I will also play in a big stadium." But there was a problem. Arjun did not have a proper bat, ball, or cricket kit. So he made his own bat from a piece of wood and used a rubber ball to play. Every day after school, he ran to the field and practiced for hours. Sometimes he played alone, imagining himself as a professional cricketer. People in the village did not take him seriously. They used to laugh and say, "Arjun, stop dreaming. You should focus on studies." Some people even said, "Cricket is not for poor boys like you." These words hurt Arjun a lot. Sometimes he felt sad and discouraged. But deep inside, he had a strong belief in himself. He decided that no matter what happens, he would never give up on his dream. From that day, Arjun became more serious. He started waking up early in the morning. He practiced running, fitness, and batting. After school, he practiced again with his friends. At night, he watched cricket matches and learned techniques. Slowly, he improved his skills. One day, something unexpected happened. A cricket coach came to the village to search for young talent. He saw many boys playing, but Arjun's dedication caught his attention. The coach watched him carefully. After the match, he called Arjun and asked, "Do you really want to become a cricketer?" Arjun replied without hesitation, "Yes, sir, it is my dream." The coach was impressed. He gave Arjun a chance to train in the city. But there was another challenge. Arjun's family could not afford the expenses. Arjun's father was worried, but seeing his son's passion, he decided to support him. He said, "Go and follow your dream. I will manage everything here." Arjun went to the city. Life there was not easy. The training was very hard, and the competition was tough. Many times Arjun failed. Sometimes he was not selected in matches, and sometimes he made mistakes. But he did not give up. He remembered his father's words and kept working hard. Years passed. Arjun became stronger, faster, and more skilled. One day, he got selected for the district team. It was his first big achievement. Then he moved to the state level. People in his village started noticing him. The same people who once laughed at him were now praising him. But Arjun still had one dream. He wanted to play for his country. Finally, the day came. Arjun was selected for the national cricket team. When he wore the jersey for the first time, tears came to his eyes. He remembered his struggles, his village, and his parents. In his first match, he played brilliantly. He scored runs and helped his team win. The whole country started recognizing him. One day, Arjun returned to his village. People welcomed him with respect. His parents were very proud. Arjun looked at the same field where he once played with a wooden bat.